Planning for your family's financial future just got smarter with Bajaj Allianz Life Protect Ace, a non-linked participating life insurance savings plan that offers life cover, flexible income options, and the choice of lump sum payouts. Let's explore why this plan is perfect for you. Comprehensive life cover. Bajaj Allianz Life Protect Ace provides robust life insurance coverage up to age 100, ensuring your loved ones are financially secure if you are no longer around. The death benefit is at least 11 times the annualized premium of 105% of total premiums paid, offering peace of mind. Flexible income options. This plan lets you customize your financial future. Choose from early income for payouts starting from the first policy month after a deferment period, deferred income for income after the premium payment term, or increasing income for growing payouts to combat inflation. You can defer income up to 5 years for added flexibility. Income or lump sum payout. Tailor your returns to your needs. Opt for regular income, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, or a lump sum payout at maturity. 105% of the total premiums paid plus bonuses if declared. You can even combine for a both balanced approach, unlike standard SIPs that only offer lump sum returns. Multiple product options. With Bajaj Allianz Life Protect Ace, you are in control. Choose from 4 variants: early income, deferred income, increased income, or wealth, and allocate premiums to one or more options. Flexible premium payment terms of 5 to 12 years make it easy to align with your goals. Tax benefits. Enjoy tax deductions on premiums up to Rs 1.5 lakh under Section 80C and tax-free benefits under Section 10D subject to conditions. This makes Protect Ace a tax-efficient choice compared to regular investment plans. Let's take an example. Take Sumit, a 35-year-old who invests Rs 1 lakh annually for 10 years in the early income and wealth option. With a policy term of 65 years, he starts receiving Rs 48,000 annually, 4% of Rs 12 lakh sum assured from year 1, totaling Rs 3.12 lakh over 65 years plus a lump sum maturity benefit of approximately Rs 13 lakh, assuming 8% returns including bonuses. Unlike a regular SIP, he also gets Rs 12 lakh life covered throughout. With Bajaj Allianz Life Protect Ace, you design your financial plan with protection and flexibility. Bajaj Allianz Life Protect Ace. Your goals, your way.